To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today we're going to be talking about the ones to watch cards, but before going into that, I just want to get a quick overview on the market. Currently, most of the players are rising from yesterday, which is expected. A lot of packs have been opened, the supply has been met, and right now we're looking at the market. Some of the cards are still fairly cheap. Like if I look, Higuain, he's 85 rated, 6K, under 6K, close to 5K. In my opinion, that's a solid price because he's a high rated card. EA is also putting its cap quite high because of that, because since, and I do believe when SBCs drop requiring high rated cards, they're gonna start slightly rising. Of course, some argue that because the SBCs, because of the Icon SBCs, there's not going to be that much demand for high rated cards, but there's going to be free batches of the Icon SBCs. Make sure to watch that video if you haven't yet. And I do think when those drop, they will require high rated cards. They just won't require icons. And when they require high rated cards, they're going to be even higher than last year. So that's why I'm a big fan of the current Team of the Week investing as well. If we look at the Team of the Week prices, like Brozovic 84 rated inform, Kolarov at 14K, that's a joke price, Orban 11K, whatever is this card and it's high rated, as soon as it's needed, it's just going up from here. Like the rule number one is when a card is at the discard value, as soon as it's needed, that jumps up. Okay, but now we're talking about the ones to watch investments. I have prepared for you guys like the ones to watch buy time, like an article on FIFAtrading.com. My site is linked down below, so check it out. The FIFAtrading.com site. I have made like an overview how thus far these cards have played in their leagues. The average rating is from the FootMob application, so you can check it here. I linked it as well in the article if you want to go and check it for yourselves. But basically what you guys want to look at is the trends from last year and invest in specific cards that potentially will have more demand because of their good playing style. It's maybe yet too soon to predict which cards will selectively be better to invest in and sort of their gameplay and the status they have right now at their clubs. But looking at these, we can get an idea who could potentially be a better investment, potentially on Thursday, because as I said here in the article, and if you look at the trends, Thursday seems like the day to buy. It's when the rewards drop after the ones to watches. It's when they are the lowest. We're looking here right now at Cancelo. There will be examples that weren't lower on Thursday. I'm going to show those as well. But cards that are potentially in demand that play good, they could potentially just start rising from that Thursday mark. They're going to have their dips every weekend when they're going to have a bad game. It always is the trend with the ones to watches, but after that they're just going to rise from there, and it will continuously just go in an uptrend. If you need a ones to watch for your team, I always consider looking on Thursday. These are the two examples, like Felipe Anderson and Raja Nangolan, because actually, yes, they were kind of lowest. Raja was on Sunday after being in packs, which was interesting because from then on he just slightly went up. Like Thursday here, he had a slight dip. It was 305k. Like he was at the same price, let's be honest. Like maybe potentially Futbin, if it registered during the rewards, like a lower value, 280k, and then people got the rewards from coins and they started buying, it pushed it up in value. But actually what you want to do is maybe go in the first minutes, in the first hour for when the rewards are released. You want to go in on these players, buy them up, pick them up, because that's a low point. And in the evening, because people get their coins, they push them up in value. And then the daily average is a bit higher here because of that. Same with Felipe Anderson, but look at here, like Thursday, Felipe Anderson was a bit lower. I still need to check if he got his first in from sometime around that period, or maybe he had a good game over the weekend. That's why he went up. But yeah, he was Team of the Week 3. So Team of the Week 3 is right after the first one. He got into the Team of the Week, and that's why he continuously rose. Here's an explanation for you guys right now why he wasn't actually having a dip on Thursday. Then if we go and watch other cards, for example, Witsel, look at here. Thursday, low point, then slightly rise back up and going higher. So if you like sell it I don't know, maybe the next weekend league after Thursday, or maybe this one, like on Saturday, you can see already the cards rise like 5K or something. During the rewards, he was here, probably got potentially picked up at 30K, and then you could have sold him at 36K. So making coins on these cards, quick flips, it will be pretty OP into the team of the weeks that, I'm sorry, the ones to watch is that we know that are going to be more in demand. That's why I also prepared that graph on the table on FIFAtrading.com. But I want to show you also Fred. He wasn't playing as much in his club last year. He was constantly going down because people just got frustrated. The cards that were hyped, he was really hyped at the start, and he kind of continuously went down in value. Those are going to be some ones to watch is that we also have to take a look at, and I do believe they will also go down in value throughout the season. If we just look at this table that I prepared to you guys, you can check it out on the link. Just click it in the description. Coutinho, Romelu Lukaku, and Torgan Hazard thus far seem to be like the ones that consistently have the highest rating, even though this is an average rating from FootMob. This is what we're looking at and we're interested in, because that is the rating that dictates how the player plays throughout the matches that he played. Romelu Lukaku has played 5 matches. He's now a really good solid card that could potentially get in a team of the week in the next period. So if you're looking at this, I believe like he's one of the ones you want to target, even though like 98K right now is a bit highish. If he has a bad game over the weekend, wait for Thursday and then maybe pick him up. He could be a really good potential. People must start buying. Ben Yedder also 7.3 is quite a good average rating for him as well here. So as well, guys, you want to look at the average rating. You want to go and pick those cards on Thursday. Wait for them to rise over the weekend. Maybe sell them already over the weekend on Saturday before the games. If you think they're going to have bad games, if they're not going to perform that well, rebuy them on Sunday, Monday, after the bad game. And this is how you can make quick, good coins on the ones to watches cards. Hope this was informative. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.